Before installing this mount, please make sure you read the manual thoroughly. Tool check. To install this product, you will need an electric drill, a 3/16" drill bit for wood stud installations, or a 3/8" masonry bit for solid concrete or concrete block installations, a 1/2" wrench or socket, a Phillips screwdriver, a level, a tape measure or ruler, a pencil, and an electronic stud finder. It's also a good idea to have an awl or small nail to verify stud locations. Parts check. Check carefully to make sure there are no missing or damaged parts. Depending on your installation, you may not need every part provided. If any parts are missing or damaged, contact customer service by calling 1-800-359-5520 to have the part sent directly to you. Step 1. Attach the wall plate to the wall. For help determining the proper height to install your mount, visit the Sanus website at www.sanus.com and locate the Height Finder tool on the left side of the homepage. Simply enter your TV and mount information, and Height Finder will calculate the optimum location to install your mount. Step 1-1. Wood stud mounting. Please note, for safe installation, any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 5/8 an inch or 16 mm in thickness. Use an electronic stud finder to locate and mark a stud. Taking into consideration the overall size of your television, hold the wall plate against the wall to verify the correct height for your mount. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall before marking 2 hole locations with a pencil, one in the top hole and one in the bottom. At this time, it's a good idea to verify the stud location with an awl or thin nail. After you have verified the stud location, drill 2 holes with the 3/16" drill bit to a depth of 2.5 inches. Attach the wall plate using the 2 lag bolts. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall before tightening the bolts with a socket wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 1-2. Solid concrete or concrete block mounting. Please note, for safe installation, any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 5/8 an inch or 16 mm in thickness. Taking into consideration the overall size of your television, hold the wall plate against the wall to verify the correct height for your mount. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall before marking 2 hole locations with a pencil, one in the top hole and one in the bottom. Using the 3/8" masonry bit, pre-drill 2 holes to a depth of 2.5 inches. Do not drill into the mortar between concrete blocks. Drilling into mortar can result in personal injury or property damage. Insert the concrete anchors into the wall with closed ends facing away from the wall. Make sure each anchor is seated completely flush with the concrete or concrete block surface. Attach the wall plate using the 2 lag bolts. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall. Then use a socket wrench to tighten each bolt until the bolt is pulled firmly against the wall plate. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 2. Attach the monitor plate to the back of your TV. First, determine the diameter of the screw your television requires. Hand thread a screw into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another screw diameter until you have the correct size. The long screws should only be used with spacers or they could crack the monitor case. Step 2-1. Attach the monitor plate to a TV with a flat back. Thread the short screw into the appropriate slotted hole in the monitor plate and into the TV. Step 2-2. Attach the monitor plate to a TV with a curved back or an obstruction. Thread the long screw into the appropriate hole in the monitor plate. Add a spacer between the monitor plate and the television. Step 3. Attach the TV to the arm assembly. Please note, before proceeding, verify that the wall plate and monitor plate are firmly fixed to the wall and the back of the television, respectively. Thread the 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bolt through the 1/4 inch metal washer, the plastic washer, and the second metal 1/4 inch washer, and down through the back of the mounting head assembly. Place the steel swivel head bearing and swivel head washer down into the arm. With the help of an assistant, push the TV and mounting head assembly down over the swivel head bearing and onto the extension arm and secure it with a swivel head nut. Step 4. Install decorative hinge caps. Place the decorative hinge caps over all exposed bolts and nuts on the mounting head and joints. Step 5. Conceal your TV cables inside the mount arm. Pull the arm to its full extension. Then route your TV cables inside the arm channel, leaving enough slack to prevent stretching when the arm is moved. Secure cables in place with cable clips. Optional cable covers can also be secured to the arm using the provided screws. Step 6. Adjust the tension in the head and arm. Use an Allen wrench to adjust extend motion at the elbow of the extension arm and at the base of the extension arm. You can also adjust swivel tension at the base of the mounting head. Tighten or loosen the knob on the mounting head to adjust your TV's tilt tension. You are now free to enjoy your newly mounted flat panel television. Thank you for your interest in this Sanus Vision Mount Flat Panel TV wall mount. If you have any problems with this product or have questions about installation, please do not return it to the store. Instead, contact customer service at 1-800-359-5520.